Bedtime for Biscuit by Alyssa Satin Capucilli, pictured by Pat Shores. Time for a bed, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit wants to play. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit wants to dig. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit wants to roll. Time for bed, Biscuit. Time to get nice and clean. Woof woof. In you go. Woof. Biscuit does not want a bath. Bow wow. Biscuit sees his friend Puddles. Woof woof. Biscuit wants to climb out. Come back, Biscuit. Woof. Come back, Puddles. Bow wow. Biscuit and Puddles wants to play in the sprinkler. Biscuit and Puddles want to dig in the mud. Biscuit and Puddles want to roll in the flower bed. Now I have you. Woof woof. Let go of the towel, Biscuit. Bow wow. Let go of the towel, Puddles. Silly puppies, let go. Woof woof. Bow wow. Oh, time for bath, Biscuit. Woof woof. A bath for all of us. The end.